Hi everybody. Today I'm doing day 8 of the learning packet, the grammar page. Homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and have different spellings. So if we look in your word box, you have two words that say 8. You have this 8 and you have this 8. This is the 8 as in the number 8, and this 8 means I have eaten something, like I ate a banana. You have two words that say past. You have this word, past, and you have this word, past. This word, past, means it has already happened. It happened in the past. This word, past, means to go by somebody, like I passed my friend in the hallway. You have two words that say so. This so and this so. This so is a coordinating conjunction. You use it to glue two sentences together, like I cleaned my room, so I got to watch a movie. And then this sew means to take a needle and thread and sew something together. Then you have two words that say wear. This wear and this wear. The first wear means to put something on, like to wear a hat, to wear your clothes. And the second wear is a location, such as where did I put my keys? Where. Your job is to figure out which word goes into which blank. So the first sentence says, it was raining, blank, the picnic was canceled. So if you don't know the answer already, or you haven't already done this, pause for a second, figure out which word you think goes in the blank, and then play again to see if you're right. It was raining, blank, the picnic was canceled. And the word that I'm going to use here is the word so, but S-O, so. Next one says, Elena blank pizza for lunch. Again, pause it, see which word you think goes in the blank, and then start it up again for the answer. Elena blank pizza for lunch, ate, and it's this 8, A-T-E. Next one, blank is the lunchroom. Again, pause it, write what word you think goes in here, play it again, and blank is the lunchroom. I'm going for where, and on this one we're going to put a capital because we are starting the sentence with it. 4. Please blank the button on my coat. Again, pause, write the answer you think goes in there. Please blank the button on my coat. We're going for the word sew. This sew, S-E-W, to attach it with needle and thread. Number 5. My family has many traditions from blank generations that we still practice today. Again, pause it, write the word you think that goes in the space, and the word that we're going to go with is past, P-A-S-T. My family has many traditions from past generations that we still practice today. All right, the next section, these are called analogies. Analogies are relationships, and what you need to do to solve an analogy is to figure out how the first two words are related. Like ball is to play. What does ball have to do with play? Well, a ball is something that you use to play with, right? So now that you know that ball is something that you use to play, I need to take that relationship and apply it to this situation. Needle is something that you use to blank, and a needle is something that you use to sew. So I'm going to go ahead and put sew, and again it's the S-E-W, sew, that we're looking for. The next analogy says say is to said. All right, let's look at the relationship between these two words. Say is the present tense, said is the past tense. So I'm going to take that relationship and I'm going to apply it here. Eat is the present tense. What is the past tense? And if you said ate, A-T-E, you are correct. Ate is the past tense of eat. All right, next analogy. 6 is to 3 as blank is to 4. All right, well, I know that they're numbers. 6 is a number like 3, but that's not really going to help me here. What I want to look at is the relationship between these numbers. 6 is the number that I get when I double 3. Now I'm going to take that relationship and I'm going to put it over here. Blank is the number that I get when I double 4. And what number is that? It's the number 8, E-I-G-H-T. 9. Apple is to eat. Let's look at that relationship. An apple is something that you eat, right? So a hat is something that you blank. Wear. And make sure it's W-E-A-R, wear. Last one. Kicked is to soccer as blank is to football. All right, kicked is something that you do with the ball in soccer. So blank is to football. Blank is to something that you do with the ball in football. And the word is passed. Like I passed the ball to my friend in a game of football. Passed. So check your answers. And again, if you've made any mistakes, no big deal. Fix them and understand why the answers that I have are correct. If you have any questions, post them in Google Classroom. See you later.